Realme was only created in 2018, but this Chinese company has shaken up the mobile industry with a range of unique and often high-spec phones at competitive prices. Realme founder Sky Lee was previously an Oppo vice president, and the two companies still share some R&D, engineering and distribution infrastructure. Most obvious in the way that Realme UI is remarkably close to the Oppo's ColorOS. So if you are a Realme fan and looking for a new Realme phone for 2022, then this video will help you out in choosing the best Realme phones. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Realme phone from this list you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Realme 8 5G, a super cheap Realme 5G phone. If you are looking for a super low cost 5G phone, then Realme 8 5G is one of the best options for you, as it lets you access the next generation of data connectivity for a lower price than most of the other devices. In many ways, this is the basic budget Android phone with a standard design, a fair processor and an average camera and a big but good looking display. It's the price and 5G combination that really make this an interesting phone, and if you're keen to get yourself some super speedy internet without breaking the bank, it's worth paying attention to the Realme 8 5G. The most exciting features here is it is powered by Dimensity 700 chipset coupled with 4GB or 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of internal storage. It also sports a triple rear camera comprising of 48MP primary sensor and also comes with a 16MP selfie camera. Another main highlight here is the 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. You can buy this phone because it's an affordable 5G phone and it has a large and bright screen. The disappointment here is its design is rather basic and the camera quality is not so good. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Realme GT Neo 2. Realme GT Neo 2 mobile was launched recently in the month of September 2021 and it's one of the best phones that you can consider to buy for 2022. The phone comes with a 6.62-inch display with a full HD plus resolution. The smartphone is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 870 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone runs Android 11 software and it is powered by a huge 5000 mAh of battery and comes with the fastest fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Realme GT Neo 2 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, a 8MP camera and a 2MP camera. And for selfies, it sports a 16MP front selfie camera to take decent selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone is a bit thick, measuring 8.6mm in thickness and weighing around 200 grams. The smartphone was launched in Neo Black, Neo Blue and Neo Green colors. Coming to the price, the smartphone was launched for a price of 32,000 Indian rupees and in the international market you can easily get for $350 to $400. Realme GT Master Edition, a capable mid-range phone from Realme. The Realme GT Master Edition takes some of the specification from the original GT but cuts some corners and sells for a lower price as a result. Ignore the name, though this is not the master of the series. The GT ME has slightly weaker chipset, smaller battery and less eye-catching design than its sibling, but it also costs a fair amount less. So it's a good option if you like the look of the GT but don't need all of its top specification. The most exciting feature here is the powerful Snapdragon 778G chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. A powerful camera comprising of 64MP primary sensor and a 32MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The smartphone will cost you around $300 in the international market and somewhere around 23 to 25,000 Indian rupees, and on offers and sales you can easily get this phone for under 20,000 Indian rupees. Buy this phone for its fast charging support and great display with a good cameras. The disappointment here is it is not waterproof. Realme 8 Pro, amazing budget smartphone from Realme. If you're looking for a great cheap Android phone, the Realme 8 Pro is a great choice. It's the top end member of the company's 2021 numbered series, which are generally Realme's most affordable and high-selling smartphone. Realme phone was a cheap and cherry alternative to the huge handset. Plus, it had a super high resolution main camera, impressive fast charging, and a comfortable to hold texture plastic bag. It's not perfect for everything. If you want a large display, 5G connectivity, high refresh rate, or high processing power, you might look for other smartphones from Realme like Realme GT. The most exciting features here are the Snapdragon 720G coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and amazing cameras, that is quad rear camera at the rear comprising of 108MP primary sensor and a 16MP front selfie camera. Consider this smartphone for its amazing cameras. The disappointment here is it doesn't support 5G. Realme GT, a mid-range, powerful Android smartphone from Realme. The Realme GT easily earns its place as the top handset from the company, and it will likely be one of the highlights of 2021 that you can even consider for 2022. It's a great way for Realme to kick off its newest line of smartphone, also called the GT line. The Realme GT has a top-end Snapdragon 888 chipset, super fast 65W wired charging, a distinctive fox leather rear broken up by a black strip, and an easily toughtable body thanks to its small size. The real clincher though is the low price of the Realme GT, as it sits comfortably in the low mid-range section. Coming to the most exciting feature of this smartphone is the powerful Snapdragon 888 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Average cameras comprising of 64MP primary camera and a 16MP front selfie camera. 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a 65W fast charging support. You can consider this phone for its distinctive design, quick charge, and the powerful performance. The only disappointment here is the heat management. So these are the top 5 best Realme phones that you can consider to buy for 2022. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.